An Artius Man Ultimate Review Cycle, brought to you by the Beard Trend Reviewers. 5 first looks, 5 in-depth reviews, and then 1 final ultimate live stream at month's end on the Urban Hussar Image Consulting YouTube channel with an embedded, exclusive, once-in-a-lifetime 30% off Artius Man at checkout. Are Artius Man's products worth your hard-earned cash? By the end of the month, we hope we have answered this question, starting with this group unboxing. Subscribe to all of our channels to make an informed purchase.
First impression today is going to be on mustache wax. So I already did the justice, saved you some time from having to watch me rip open the package and pull the product out. So here is the product. I have a Bay Rum mustache and beard wax. So when we open this up, you got a twist top, 1 ounce twist top tin. You smell it, and all you get is Bay Rum. It's nice and hard, it shakes in here and jiggles. So this is a good wax. You can scrape it out a little bit with your nail. I have a crazy old stash here that I'm gonna be able to put this up in. I will be on Thursday in 2 weeks to give you my thoughts on this mustache wax. And then at the end of the month, we're gonna have a live stream with all 5 of us together. And we're gonna give you a big discount on Artius Man, but you have to be in the live stream to make sure that you get that discount code. So until I speak with you guys again, God bless you all.
Hello, it's Cass from Urban Hussar Image Consulting, and this month I'm going to be reviewing the Artius Man E4 Beard Wash. So in this unboxing, I'm going to very concisely challenge 2 fundamental claims that Artius Man makes about this particular beard wash, and that is number 1, that it is the ultimate woodsy scent with a citrus overtone. In fact, it seems to be the ultimate manifestation of the saying, if you fail, try again, as this is a byproduct of 107 failures. This scent profile is the byproduct of the 108th formulation of this particular product. Yowza. And we're going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and we're going to tackle the other claim at the exact same time, and that is that a very small little dab of this stuff goes a long way, thus making your $15 worth it. Alright, so let's give her a little dab. As you can see, I have barely on my hand, and barely any on my hand right now. Nice smell ringing through. I'm going to smell it a little closer in a second, but that's a really nice texture. And without even any water, we're starting to get a nice lather going right now. Not sure how much you guys see there, but that's a really nice lather. Cedar wood comes in the strongest. Kind of reminds me of the Man Company cedar wood and lavender beard oil, but instead of the lavender, we have a nice bit of patchouli coming through. Lots of people don't like patchouli. Not overpowering in this mix whatsoever. In fact, I think I probably smell a little more bergamot and other citrusy scents over the patchouli, in my opinion, of course. I am really excited to try this product, and I will now pass it over to Brian from Beards and Banjos. Take it away, Brian.
All right, guys, September 2019, we're going to be featuring Artius Man for the Beard Trend Review, Ultimate Review. So they sent us out different products to all the 5 guys. Says, Brian, let us know what you think. Lisa, nice Artius Man sticker, nice presentation. So I ordered the beard conditioner is what they sent out to me. So I'm trying out different co-washes and that kind of thing. And this one is Mountain Air with sea kelp. Okay, so that's the Mountain Air scent. Shake well, apply dime size amount. We'll go over the list of ingredients and those kind of things, but not used on animals. Paraben free, recyclable container, and something else I can't tell what's on that one right now, but this one's in the 4 ounce, so I'm going to be trying it out pretty much all month until it's gone, and it does have the extra little seal on top, so I'm going to see if I can get a quick sniff of this thing. So nice kind of air, mountain air, so it's kind of woodsy, so that's going to be good, and it looks to be white in color and pretty thick. All right, so we'll see you guys soon for a follow-up review video.
Drum roll, please. I've already cut the tape off to make it easier for the video. But when you open the box, that's what you get. I know it's an unboxing, but I'll show you guys. Show you the consistency of the balm real quick. This balm is awesome. It's a real nice, smooth, buttery consistency. I'll show you the tin first. I just did that. You can see it in my hand. I don't want to give too many details away. For those of you guys that haven't tried it, I don't want to give it away. So that'll be in the review. But the consistency of this balm is amazing. And the scent of it, citrus fire, and it's like a smoky citrus type fruit that is just amazing smell. And I'm not going to tell you how it goes in the beard. That'll be in the review. Have a good one, guys.